it, so that will make it so much easier. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wet the whole thing down, spray it with my cleaner, and then I'm going to come back with the magic eraser and go over it, and I will take all the scum, all the stains, anything that's sticky and hard to get off. And just so you know, what I'm going to use, the product I'm going to use is actually half vinegar and half dish detergent to clean this tub. So I'm going to do that in fast motion. So here we go. Look, is that disgusting? Sorry, it was kind of hard for me to get a good shot of me cleaning the inside of here, but that's gross. And this wasn't even really a very dirty tub, not what I call dirty. I mean, if you go to my Facebook page, I just recently did one that was literally black. So this is kind of normal, and this is how much sticky stuff came off. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this, and then we'll be done with the tub. Okay, so I have to put the shower head back up. I always leave that down because if you put it up while you're still working in the tub, it can drip on you. But I'll put it up in just a second. But look how much, so much better. That's some kind of weird spot on there. And it looks like there's still a drain, but that's actually a stain in the fiberglass. Sometimes when these tubs get old, they get that orangey kind of stain on there. But there's some paint on here, which I'm not going to worry about that. But you can see it's so much better than it was. See those little drops? That's paint there. So much better than it was. Okay, so here I have the mirrors to take care of, which they're not bad. The countertops, the sink, and the cabinets, and this weird little cabinet thing here. So basically what I've done is I have a bucket of soap and water. It's just plain soap and water, nothing fancy. And I'm going to use that for the bulk of the cleaning. But I am going to use my microfiber cloth and some window cleaner on the mirror. So we'll go ahead and bust through that and get that done. Okay, this bathroom's done. I always put the lid down, but here I'll show you the toilet. I mean, the toilet really wasn't dirty to start with, but it looks a lot better than it did. So we can see how pretty the shower is. Whatever that thing is over there, it's some kind of kid thing. It's stuck, so I just left it. But yep, the shower looks pretty again. And the counters, sink is nice and clean and shiny. And inside all the drawers, and then that shampoo, that was shampoo. We got lots of suds, and there was a spot, there's still a little bit of a staining there. I don't even want to think of what that was. And that smudge there in the corner, I think that's paint again. But yeah, this floor looks so much better. It's an old floor, so there's some things on there that don't come off, some Mars and some paint and whatnot. But yep, this bathroom is done.